Uh, just doing a little demo here. Again, got your rifle sighted in at 1 grain, and for some reason you grab a different size grain. In this instance, I did it with the 30-30, and now I am doing it with the 223. This rifle is sighted in at 55 grain. What I've got is 75 grain in here, but I got one 55 grain up on top just to show that it is sighted in at the 55 grain, and then I'm going to shoot the 75 grain afterwards. I got my toothpick, so if I'm talking sounds a little strange, I am getting used to it. Basically having to learn how to talk all over again. But there we go. Alright. Now for the 75 grain. There you go. The first shot was me. As you see, we're roughly 100 yards, 85, 100 yards out, and no big difference in shooting. So say if you're grab your rifle, you're going hunting, and you forget your ammo. It happens, it does happen from time to time. Maybe not from time to time, but it might happen. And you're out on the road, you stop somewhere, going to deer camp, you're out in the middle of nowhere, you're not going to have a lot of options. You might come across a place and all they got is, say, 55 grain, and you were hunting with 75, vice versa. About 100 yards, it shouldn't make that big of a difference. So that was the whole point between this and showing you all that. So there you go. You see the far left one was the 55 grain, the two almost touching was the 75, and then that hanger down below was the 75. And again, this is a 6-inch target, and those are hanging out about within a 3-inch circle, roughly, almost 3-inch, so not too bad. Right there, that's pretty much. So if you jumping up 20 grain on a 223, it's not really gonna hurt anything at 100 yards. So there you go.